Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can see recent reels on Instagram. Now for you to see recent reels on Instagram, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up Instagram on your device. Once you open up Instagram and once you're on the home page of Instagram, on the bottom right corner of your screen you'll see your profile icon. Now go ahead and click on that. Once you click on your profile icon, you'll be navigated or redirected to your profile page. Now on this page, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see these three lines. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on those three lines, you'll be redirected to another menu. Now on this menu, scroll down and find this Your Activity option. Now you can see your recent reels and all the other activities from this page. Now to see the recent reels you've posted, simply go to this Content You Shared option and click on Reels. Now you can sort from newest to oldest or oldest to newest and use all these filters to see the recent reels you shared. Now if you want to see the reels or posts you interacted with, you can see your likes here, your comments here, your notes. So once you put notes on your reels, you can see them here, your tags, your sticker responses and reviews here. So you can use this page to see all the recent content you've interacted with. I hope this video helped you to see recent reels on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.